everyone, Georgia here. Hi funfans. And today we're going to be each opening two LOL surprise dolls. We each have a pet and we each have a little sisters. I don't know what these ones, they're the ones with the magnifying glasses that have a message which we've never opened before.
You get 5 things in them.
Yeah. And before we get started with the video, me and Georgia are just gonna give a huge thank you to the people who have entered our giveaway, and these are the 4 winners. So the first one is Kerry Mackenzie. The second one is Halima Bai, and sorry if we pronounce any of your names wrong. And the next one is Amra Baker. And then we have Toys with Minnie and Boo. So yeah, well done if you won.
Yay, Minnie and Boo.
So now let's get opening.
And today we're unicorn cat, but just in case you get confused, since we don't have a home, I'll be showing my teddy so you don't get confused.
Yeah, this is what we're trying to recreate. Almost. By the way, I did these here.
And I got this yesterday.
Let's start opening. First I'm going to open my pets.
I'm going to open, I think, I'm going to save that for last because we've never opened them before. It hurts my nose. I've already done first layer summons.
Oh my god.
Is there anything that fell off or in there?
Comment down below what your favourite type of LOL dolls are.
Yeah,
like dolls, the pets, the little sisters.
The question, let's see it.
Yeah, I know. I haven't opened mine yet.
Best in show.
Best in show is George's message. And mine is music to ears. And mine's a bunny, so I might get a bunny. Georgia loves bunnies, like Toys and Minnie and Boo. Minnie does.
Because Minnie has a big giant bunny that's called Boo.
Yeah.
Because that's why I only called Minnie and Boo.
So let's open the next layer.
Oh, Shema, I see the stickers. I don't know what these do. Do they just do the same as the LOL dolls?
Remember, they're pets. What colour is your ball? I got bright hot pink.
So that's a mystery one.
Yeah.
What's a mystery one?
Oh, that means it. I don't know actually. Comment that down below. What does the question mark mean? Or maybe it just means which one will you get. Anyway, so these are the stickers.
So I'm on my first layer and
Same.
I've nearly done it. These are so hard. They hurt the nails because they like bend their nails forward when they try to open these. Now.
Yeah, these are hard to open.
There. Summer, I'm going to wait for you because you're my sister.
So, my ball colour is bright pink and same as Georgia's.
We might get the same.
What if we do? No, because we didn't get the same message.
Oh, yeah.
Which are you going to see? I always save the pet for last
for
some reason. What colour is your little box? I got yellow.
I got pink.
Yellow.
I keep on getting pink stuff. Summer! Oh my gosh, look how cute that one looks. I want that one.
Oh.
I'm going to open my first blind bag.
Same.
I'm
going to open the flat one.
So what is that, sir? I don't know what that was.
Surprise inside, yay.
Yeah.
My tiny accessory for my, I don't know what animal it's going to be, is a necklace.
Oh, so it's the skipper. So I got a dog skipper. Does that mean I'm going to get a dog?
Yes.
Cool. I did want a cat, but it didn't really matter. I hope I get a Dalmatian dog.
I'm nervous to see what animal I get. Oh, this is my bottle.
I think I haven't opened this blind bag yet. I probably haven't.
I think this is the thing. Mine's a dog as well, but mine's gold.
So I think I got the Dalmatian. Look, I got a colour thing. Like, I think that's on the Dalmatian.
Now I'm going to open my pet.
Let's please open blind bags out the way. So
this is big.
This
must be a big pet.
I'm getting loads of pink stuff. So look how much pink stuff I'm getting.
Yeah,
look, I've got loads of pink stuff.
This is the pet I got. I'm gonna see her name soon. I think it's a girl. But I don't know yet.
Little sisters are so cool because they colour things. But little sisters only colour things. Ooh.
So now I'm just putting on the necklace, and that's hard.
Summer, I remember seeing this on the Dalmatian.
Oh, that's Georgia. Are you sure you have the Dalmatian? Georgia's favourite type of...
I think I got the Dalmatian. I think I'm just going to open my surprise thing to see if I got the Dalmatian because I think I did.
Oh, I can't get the necklace on.
So I think I guessed it because look at that head there. It shows like glasses and it's Dalmatian. The glasses that I got. Like,
You didn't get that.
no, I don't mean that. I mean like right there.
This.
Yeah, I think I got that because look at the glasses.
Georgia thinks she got this one.
I'm just going to open it to see.
That's on the wrapper because
really
she got the same
confused.
glasses. You still have this?
I know. I know, this is hard. I got the Dalmatian.
Georgia got the Dalmatian! Oh.
See, I guessed, Summer.
Yeah, you did, didn't you?
Yeah. Yay. So look, and I think Spy is like kind of pink.
Yeah.
Yay.
You gonna show funfans?
Yellow Spy. I'm gonna open my next surprise bag, which is probably the bottle because I haven't got my
I
bottle.
finally got the necklace on. Now it's time to open my little box, which is basically like kinetic sand stuff. But inside, what is there inside? I think the clothes.
Inside, it's
inside
like,
the shoes. There's the shoes inside. But they're really hard to get on after because they're full with sand.
yeah.
I need some scissors.
I got this stuff. Now I'm just gonna put
There's
my
a test
stuff
strip.
on him, which is very easy to lose. So I need to be careful.
Ooh, it's pink inside. Now let's use my pooper scooper
Peep
to scoop the sand.
Peep scoop.
Wait, listen how satisfying, Georgia. Shh. Hopefully Izzy doesn't make the noise. Our dog. That sounds so nice.
That wasn't our dog.
Mine must be like a famous one because it has a gold necklace, a gold pooper scooper, and looks like some gold shoes. This is the first shoe. Now let's pick out the next three. Because
It's so cute.
Yeah. Oh, look, fun fans. Look how cute George's Dalmatian is. Looks like he's like a Hollywood star.
Mum, why did you pull that face? It's so funny.
Mum's like, ooh.
I can make funny of face in Batman.
So, well, you know what's really weird? So, I have like a really bad my tummy's rumbling because this reminds me of strawberry ice cream. I don't know why. It just looks like it would be strawberry ice cream. Like you scoop it with the ice cream scooper, but it's actually the pooper scooper, and then you scoop it and it's like strawberry ice cream. Yum. So yeah, Georgia, what are you doing right now? Oh, look at Georgia's litter. It's blue. Well, teal, turquoise. I don't know. Oh,
Shoes, pink shoes.
cool. Georgia's is like pink.
Mine's a pink
You
one,
do panda?
so obviously, because it's going to have everything pink, because everyone knows that's best going to rainbow
We're the same height. Me and my panda are the same height.
Because they're on a tear similar teething.
No, when I was on my bed, I was laying on my bed, and then I was sitting next to my panda, and then we were the same height. Well, my panda's
This
taller.
feels so nice. This reminds you of mint ice cream.
Yeah, that's mint chocolate chip ice cream.
Yeah,
Okay, I'm going to move on to my little sister magnifying glass one, I think.
See,
that's what
I'm
it is.
evil. I'm making you feel hungry because I have
Yeah.
mint ice cream.
I love ice cream.
The
Oh, in the
problem is about this.
Yeah.
Look, mine is easy to get all the sand out. Look, it's easy.
Okay, Georgia. I don't think you should do that. Yeah, I think you should hurry up opening your a little surprise doll so you can play with it after.
I want to put my
So
phone
I'm
down.
excited to see what my message says because it's cool to see the message. But I think it comes with a magnifying glass. Yeah. On the same level as the message, it has the magnifying glass. So, as you can see, it's blurred out. So you need to use it to see the message. Which that's the fun part.
Why
See,
is it blurred out?
That's why it's the magnifying glass one. I
Oh.
think that's what they're called.
I don't want
Where is it? It was just in it. Oh no, maybe you have to wait until the next layer.
Yeah, you do.
I think it's here. I'm confused. I've never opened these types.
Someone can help me.
So we open our LOL ball, so now let's see the message. Can we find the magnifying glass?
What's yours?
You see, let's both see it at the same time. Ooh, it's really cool. So it goes like this and then you can see it. I don't think it says. Oh, best boo. I'm the best boo. I want to try to show you funfans if this will work. Wait, let's try to go like this. Okay. See if you can see the message.
Can you do mine? Mine says Harry.
Can you see it now?
Summer. Mine says Harry at the bottom, but I don't know what the at the bottom it says.
Yeah.
Can you try and read what's at the
Hold
bottom?
on, I'm trying to show funfans what my message is. Can you see it now?
No, hang on.
I'm shaking.
I'm gonna take. Mom, can I just
Can't
take
see
this
it.
off?
Oh, that's sad.
Funfans might be able to read it. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Someone can you help me read? I don't know what it says in the corner.
Cherry bomb. Georgie, yours is cherry bomb.
Cool.
Now let's open up my first one.
I'm gonna open.
Oh, I got sunglasses. Ooh, these are fancy.
And I'm gonna put my foot.
Ooh.
So how much slime bags do you
Where's the
need?
baby? Is the baby in this one?
The baby's in this one, I think.
What's
Wait,
the baby?
Summer, wait a second. Summer, show something by look. I don't know.
It shows something on the bags. Yeah, because every bag has something on it. Something blue. This is cool. Mine says let me out. What? Hello?
Because
I need to let you out. Oh. It goes on the pool. I'm like, what? I thought that was a
Summer,
baby.
it shows different kind of stuff. Like
Yeah.
mine shows Alligo on this side and like
Mine
a
says a
weird
message.
thing on this side.
Guess who?
Summer, there's like different kind
Yeah.
of stuff. Like one there and one
Yeah.
there. On the other side. Cool. I'm gonna open this.
Right, first I need to see what mine says. Mine just says LOL surprise sister. This must be the sister. First I'm going to open this one. Oh! My magnifying glass.
Oh, I got my sister. Cool, it looks like Queen Bee's sister.
Whoa, look.
Mimi. There's nothing on the sun because it didn't cover
Yeah.
the cell. Just talking. I don't need baby steps because I'm not a baby.
What's this? Oh, it's what the baby goes in. I don't
Because
know.
you got-
Oh, it's a brain. Oh, there's something really cute.
I think
There's
there's
a brain.
something on it. Why?
There isn't.
I got my little key.
Okay, right.
I think there's two on one. Oh, yeah. I'm going to open this one.
Let's
first.
see my dog. I hope she's cute.
I think my dog's too rare because
Yeah.
it's like a queen bee baby.
Ah! My baby.
Summer, does my baby remind you of Queen Bee baby?
Not really.
Oh, I got
Oh, yeah.
thanks.
Oh, I know. Okay, if you didn't know, funfans, when you get the accessory, this is for your big doll. So once you get the big sister of this is little sister. This is for the big sister. So this one doesn't wear this. Georgia, it's not meant to do that. That's for her big sister.
It wraps around her neck.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here's my baby.
I guess that's no surprise. And I'm going to open this because I love it. Yeah.
Let's see what
Wait,
yours goes.
I'm going to see what's on it. Guess
Guess
who?
who?
Guess who?
That just says LOL surprise.
Yeah.
They were cool. Let's see what Georgia's bag is. Ooh.
I can't open it. Guess who?
I'm gonna have the first peek.
No, I'm going to.
No, I am.
Open it.
So now we're gonna do a close up of the ones we got, and me and George are super happy with the toys that we got today. So let's roll the close-up. Ooh. So this is Georgia's LOL little sister, and I don't really know her name yet, but
Because I can't find her on the text list.
yeah. And then this is the Pooper Scooper that came with Georgia's pets. So this is the litter box, this is the glasses, they need some shoes, and this is Georgia's LOL pet and its bottle. Then this is mine and its bottle. Then these are the glasses for my big one. And then this is my little sister, and she's really cute.
I think mine's all extra rare because
So
I
this is
can't
my
find it on
magnifying
the text
glass.
list. Can't find it on the text list somewhere anywhere. I think mine's all
Wait,
extra
let's try
rare.
to find Georgia's. Wait, how is it an ultra rare? It might just be in one of the mysteries. But what does yours look like? Oh, yours is there. Your little face. I don't want to know mine. I'm Little Thriller. So yeah, a little fun fact. You know, with the magnifying glass, on the checklist there's a message in them. So please can you like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. See you funfans soon. Bye! Bye 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 bye.